Start every training session with a clear demonstration of product calibration, mixing, and safety, so new pest technicians see exactly how to do the job safely and accurately. Teach calibration by explaining why accurate application rates matter for efficacy and liability. Then, walk through the math slowly using real examples so learners practice converting label rates from units per area to volumes per tank. Show how to use labeled measuring cups and calibrated dosing tools, and have each trainee prepare a mock mix using water only until they are consistently within acceptable tolerances. Cover mixing order and techniques step by step. For example, add water first to the tank, then measure and add concentrate while stirring gently to prevent foaming, and always follow label-specified mixing speeds and temperatures if provided. Make safety practical by running short briefings on personal protective equipment and chemical exposure symptoms, and have trainees practice donning and doffing gear and using spill kits in timed drills. Emphasize reading the label before every service as a habit, and model how to record product, batch, and calibration data in a simple log, so mistakes are traceable and training is auditable. Teach how to interpret safety data sheets briefly by highlighting the most critical sections such as first aid, storage, and incompatible materials, and require supervised real mixes for a set number of repeats before independent work is allowed. Common mistakes include using imprecise measuring tools that lead to over-application, which risks plant or animal harm and regulatory fines, and the fix is to standardize on labeled measuring cups and calibrated dispensers that are checked regularly. Another frequent issue is skipping label reading because someone assumes a product is the same as one previously used, and the remedy is a strict policy that every technician reads and signs off on the label and records any deviations before each use. A third problem is inadequate supervision for first-time mixes, which can result in unsafe handling, so set a mandatory supervised period where an experienced tech watches and signs off on each trainee until they demonstrate consistent, documented proficiency. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors by helping us find local professionals and allowing contractors to showcase services and win new jobs. We also host a discussion community where our members ask questions, share tips, and learn best practices related to product mixing, safety, and on-the-job workflows.